Introducing the CNC LY Menlak 2 laser marking machine for T-box steel marking. With Lingyu's long lifespan CO2 laser, it can work continuously for 24 hours, providing excellent marking effects. This machine boasts a low maintenance cost and is easy to operate. It supports various graphic formats like AI, DXF, and DXP. Its key selling points include its high working accuracy of 0.01 mm and a marking area of 100*100-400*400 mm. It is perfect for manufacturing plants, machinery repair shops, printing shops, and more. Buy now and enjoy a 1-year warranty.